Classlink is the single sign-on solution used by both staff and students in District 86. This program will hold all of the usernames and passwords for any district-approved websites or resources. You'll find Classlink in the Home button on your Chrome browser in both laptops and Chromebooks. For students and staff, this should open automatically when logging into the device. Staff members log into Classlink using their Active Directory credentials. This is the username and password that they use when they log into the computer. And it does not include the domain @joliet86.org like in your email address. Students, on the other hand, will scroll down slightly and use the sign in with Google option. Staff members should not log in that way. Once you click the sign in button, you will see that all of the programs that District 86 has that are relevant to you will load. Classlink uses a roster server and references Aspen to identify what tools are relevant to specific classroom teachers, parapros, and so on, as well as other staff and students. There are 3 different ways that Classlink will help you log into programs. One of them is for programs such as the Technology Help Desk that log you in using your Active Directory. Because as a staff member, you log into Classlink with your Active Directory, it knows that you are indeed the same person, and you can simply click the button and access it that way. Another way that Classlink will automatically log you in is through your Google connection. Even though you are not using the Google login as a staff member, you can and should connect your Google account to your Classlink. This is one of the first things that you should actually do. To do that, you're going to go to your user icon in the top corner, go to Settings, and then go to the Sign In Options tab at the top. Once you have gone to the Sign In Options tab, you see here that you can connect your Google account. To do that, simply click the link button and log into your Google account. Follow any prompts that show up. Once you're logged in, you'll have this unlink icon, and that will give you the potential to disconnect your account should you need to. Hit the X to close this window. At that point, any tools that use either Active Directory or Google to log in will now be able to be accessed with a single click. There are a handful of apps, however, such as Renaissance, that do not use either Google or Active Directory as a login. For these apps, you need to use the Classlink Password Locker. The way the Password Locker works is such. You simply click on the app, and the first time you access it, you are going to give your appropriate credentials. So for Renaissance, I would type my username, which does happen to be my email, and then the password that I have associated with it. Click Save, and it now knows my password for the future. You can see it's going to make its magic happen, and I'm going to get logged into the user portal. In future times logging in with tools that have the password locker, you simply click the button, notice it loads. Just be patient here while it fills the fields in and makes the magic happen. And you can see that I never again have to type my password. Classlink also gives you the option to do some organizing and customization of your dashboard. That can be done in this edit mode here and works oftentimes very similar to how it would work for most smartphones. If you have questions on organizing or customizing your dashboard, or if you have any other questions on Classlink, please just reach out to a technology coach. We would be more than happy to assist you.